Hello everyone, Jorge Huertas once again with all of you. Today I'm going to show you what is and how to make a parallel analysis. This video is also available in Spanish. Well, when we talk about a parallel analysis, we're talking a tool of empathy and understanding. It got the following characteristics: analyze existing solutions similar to our problem in order to have a more complete perspective of how far we can go. It is method is based on analyze and make solutions of a particular problem that which should be different from what already exists. Analyze existing and similar solutions, searching for existing products, same category, and what could be better for the development that we are making. It is essential to have a frame of references before starting developing any kind of things. So basically, this kind of tool, we use it in the empathy stage of a project that is being developed with the design thinking methodology, and basically allow us to know what has been done before. So parallel analysis is starting for knowing what's on the market, what's around, and basically understand that we have to develop something that is different. I mean, we don't want to make a copy of something that already exists. Before I start explaining this tool, please subscribe to our channel if you like what we do. Give us a like, turn on the bell, give us a comment, or whatever you want to do is always welcome. Okay, so the first thing is that we need to have context. I mean, if we are looking for solutions or of products, is different than if we are looking solutions of services. So we have to have a clear context of what we are looking for. After that, we have to make our matrix. We can make it digital or we can make it analog, depending of how many people is involved on the process and how many resources we find. Of course, we have to start looking and searching for all the information so we can make the analysis. And it's extremely necessary that we make it in group, because we could have different opinions and a different analysis of the different topics that we are seeing. So I strongly recommend that you don't do this by yourself, do it with your group and try to debate. If you have somebody that can manage the session, it will be very helpful, because it will really allow you to understand and give the things that we need. So this matrix is divided in two parts. In the column that we are seeing on the left, we got the name of the product of the service. We got a photography that allow us to have context, could be many photographies, the characteristics, all the product, all the things that we know about that, how much it costs, how is the processes of the production, and how many supplies it got, and of course, what is the value proposition. For this example, I'm just gonna give a 3 products, but could be 3 services, or could be a lot more, or maybe just 2. But the idea here is that we analyze everything that it has been done before, and we can have the best analysis of that. So of course, here the name of the product, when was it released, and where. Have photographies are extremely important, because maybe we are not sure. So here we can use many photographies. The idea here is that the whole group could understand basically everything. Of course, the characteristics could be many, because especially all the technique part and all the different development, it really allows us to understand and make it more accessible. Of course, the price is very, very important, how much it costs, and then the production and the supplies. The idea here is that we understand the life cycle of the product, because many times people know how much it costs, but they have no idea which environmental impact could have. So it's very important to understand that and have as much information as possible. And of course, finally, what is the value proposition, why people are purchasing, and what make it better. At the end of this analysis, we have to make a decision and understand if it's really worth try to working something new, because if some product or some service is really, really good, why am I'm going to develop something new? So that is something very important as well. It's extremely important to understand if we are competitive in what we are doing. So that's important. In case the answer is no, it's a positive thing because it saves us time and money. I mean, you could say like, yeah, it's not necessary that I make this development. The solution that they got already here and the time that they have been doing is really, really good. So it's not work. I'm gonna waste my time. But before developing anything, any product or any service, is very important to know what this previously has been done before, and if to see if we can make something better and it is worth doing it. Thank you so much. I hope this video was a big help in your education. Please subscribe to our channel, follow us on social media. Our Udemy courses are already available. Remember that every Monday we have a new video in Spanish and every Thursday we have a new video in English. Thank you so much and we'll see you next time.